Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the latest working method to create a local account during Windows setup. This lets you bypass the requirements for a Microsoft account and internet connection. Microsoft recently announced that it will remove known commands for creating local accounts. So, methods like localonly and BYPASSNRO may stop working at any time. That's why you should use this method instead. Let's begin. This method applies the BYPASSNRO but directly in the registry. This method requires that you are offline. During installation, once you get to the OOBE setup part, that is, where you select your country or region, disconnect your network. That is, disconnect your Wi-Fi or unplug your network cable. Then continue with the OOBE setup till you get to the Let's Connect You to a Network page. Once you get to the Let's Connect You to a Network page, press the Shift key plus F10 to open command prompt as administrator. Type regedit to open the registry editor and then press enter. Navigate to the OOBE key using the steps below. Navigate to local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then CurrentVersion, then OOBE. Select the OOBE key. In the right pane, right-click an empty space and select the word 32-bit value and name it this exact word shown on screen, BYPASSNRO. Please note the capitalizations. Now, double-click on it and change the value data to 1. Ensure the base is hexadecimal. Close the registry editor and type the command shown on the screen to reboot your PC. Make sure to remain offline during the reboot. You'll be taken again to the beginning of OOBE setup. Continue the OOBE setup till you get to the Let's Connect You to a Network screen again. Now, on the Let's Connect You to a Network page, you will now see a new option, I don't have internet. Click that. In some builds, you will see another page that asks you to continue with limited setup. Click that if you have it. I don't have that here. This now takes you to the page where you can enter your username, which translates to setting up a local account. Simply enter your username and an optional password. Then continue with the Windows setup. And that is the latest method that you can use to create a local account and bypass the Microsoft account and internet requirements. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.